I'm going to use Atomy Evening Care Set. Now I'll show how to use step by step. And I will add a little bit more special treatment to this to get plump skin in immediately. First step of cleansing, you can use either cleansing oil or deep cleanser. I have another video how to use cleansing oil, so you can check that out. Today I'm going to use deep cleanser. Before deep cleanser, I will use leave-in eye makeup remover for my mask. This makeup remover is very gentle and effective, even removing waterproof mascara. Deep cleanser, you apply generous amount on dry face before washing. This will remove your makeup and it will give you nutrients, so you will have softer skin and brighter tone. So you apply on dry skin and you leave for a while. Let it benefit your skin until it becomes oil, and then we will massage it. So I waited a little bit and now it becomes like oil, then we will massage. When you massage it, use this finger. Cleanser oil is more effective and faster to remove makeup. Deep cleanser needs some more time, so I usually do cleansing oil every day and deep cleanser when I have some more time. So I use once or twice a week. Okay, use more here, blackheads, whiteheads. So Atomy cleansing clean from deeper level. So if you have some problem under your skin, then you will have some breakout in the beginning. This is part of the progress. So don't worry, you'll keep using, then you will be having clear and smoother skin. So after like this, cleansing. And before rinsing, one more step. You put the warm water on the fingers, water, and massage one more time with the water. Then you will see the white oil. The oil become white. And massage one more time. This step is really important to clean your oil impurity inside. And make sure all the oil will be off. And after that, you will wash with water. You will wash with water. Okay, add warm water, then make the foam. So soft. You don't feel dry. You're so clean. After deep cleanser and foam cleanser, I used peeling gel. This is gel type exfoliator to clean your dead skin. We can use once a week. So when you use this, make sure no water on the finger or face, no water in the air. So use on the dry, put the thick layer, generous amount. To avoid the eyes and the mouth area, you apply. Don't massage yet, just apply thick layer. Now it's been around 2 to 3 minutes after peeling gel, so you can test it. It comes out. It shouldn't be dry. It should be still wet. Okay, it shouldn't be dry. And you can massage it with wet gel off together with the dead skin. When you try it, if it's too dry, too sandy, then you put too little or you wait too long. Then you can apply again, wait one more time. So it should be like this. Like soft gel bead. Okay? It should be like this. Yeah. Can you see this? Yes. Then smoothly you can get rid of the dead skin together with the gel. So I think it's all done everywhere. After that, you can wash with water. Yeah, I wash it. So now I'm going to add something special. So you don't need to do it if you don't have it, but if you have it, this is really good step. So after washing, don't use the towel to dry your face. Just dry hands and wipe off with your own hands. Okay, like this. And then your face still wet, like damp, a little bit of wet. And then you can use oil serum mist. This is high functional anti-aging serum in fine mist type. So shake it. The mist is so fine, I don't want it to get in your nose. So hold your breath and close your eyes. Okay, hold your breath and cover your hair. I don't want your hair is too oily, right? And that's it. You can pat it dry or just leave it on. This step lock the most in your face and will give you dramatic change. I love this one. You can spray anytime, even over the makeup, between skincare routine. You can finish with this one after skincare. You can use anytime. Okay, and after that, I will use toner and eye cream, and I'm going to use peel-off mask. I wait until a little bit dry, and I'm going to use peel-off mask. Use the peel-off mask after toner and peel it off when it's dry. Or use the mask as the final step of your skincare routine. Use all the skincare before the peel-off mask, and then you go to sleep, leave it on over the night. It's completely dry. So you peel it off from bottom. You peel it off from bottom to up. Don't pull out, it is tie up. You can use peel-off mask while sleeping or peel off just like that. With the peel-off mask, you can use the skincare. I'm using actually skincare. Apply 2 or 3 layers of toner. I use the Atomy Absolute Skincare Set, toner and pure serum, eye cream, lotion, and or nutrition cream. And I use serum mist. Shake and spray the oil serum mist between skincare steps. Next is my special addition to my nighttime routine, 24 karat gold night mask. Apply a thick layer of the golden night mask and do a lifting massage. Atomy Evening Cleansing Set and Peel-Off Mask do deep pore cleansing and help minimize pore size. The sleeping night mask will nourish your skin throughout the night. The next morning, you will wake up with clearer, smoother, firmer, and plumper skin.